So
16th July 2017, Himanshu fixes his bike tire puncture and he thinks it's extraordinary and wants me to record it.
I will show you today how to fix tire puncture by yourself. I got this kit from Amazon, $6. It's called tire plug kit.
Check out all that.
It's only $6. It's called slime plug tire plug tool.
Slime.
Yeah, it's from Slime. $6. It was bestseller on Amazon. So here is the problem right here.
Fun.
Yeah, and I will remove it, and then I'll fix it by myself.
Okay.
So let's get to it. So I'm going to remove the screw. It's going to leak air like crazy. Watch. Don't get scared. It started leaking. I think I'm going to get a flat tire, if not until now. It's definitely going to be flat now.
It's not yet flat. There you go, it's out.
So it was this little monkey.
Let's see
This
the
one.
culprit. Okay, there you go.
Now the next step is take this cleaner and clean the hole. Actually, it's not very large hole, so I'll just clean it little 2-3 times. Which is okay because we have rubber strips. So I'm going to take one of the rubber strips and put it on top of. This is the difficult part actually. Get the strip out and put it inside this clamp. So
Should I close it till you do that
okay,
with my
it's a
finger?
good idea. Let's put this clamp here
And
so
leave it
it
in
doesn't leak like crazy.
Yeah.
And now I have to put this rubber strip in the eye of this clamp.
That's like needling a
Yeah.
thread.
Now it's all the way in the middle.
Okay.
Second step is to dab it with rubber cement.
Okay.
So let's take this and I have to puncture it first. So I have another tool to puncture it.
So what is that rubber cement?
It's called rubber cement. It comes with the rubber cement. It comes with the tool,
Okay.
tire plug tool. Oops. Now I have rubber cement. Dab it properly. Because let's face it, this is probably the only time I'm going to fix my puncture by myself. If I'm successful, maybe I'll try again, but
Well, you never know. After you put this video, people might call you. Then
Yeah, I'm
you
going to
might
be
get a
the-
lot of inquiries.
yeah, this is going to be my primary job.
Your
I'm going to
part-time
quit-
job, you mean?
Yeah, I'm going to quit programming. I'm
Oh,
going to
you'll
start
quit.
fixing.
This will be your main job.
Yeah, this is going to be my primary job. It's
You think you're going to be that successful?
yeah. Now
Is it okay if it gets on your hand? I just saw it somewhere.
it's okay. It's
Huh.
a occupational hazard. You have to live with it. Now remove this tool and put the rubber in.
Okay.
So let me see if it's not dabbed properly here. Now it's dabbed properly. Okay, let's go. So in one swift motion, to put this thing in. There you go. It's inside. I have to make sure that.
How did you do that? Wow.
Now it's in.
Is that going to be okay when you
Yeah,
drive?
it's going to be okay. I'm going to cut it. So we're pretty much done.
Oh, you're done? So how are you
Yes.
going to cut it? Finish it
With,
too.
That's it. You can cut it with the scissors later on.
Look at the successful face. Oh.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.